While there has been much talk about the defense sector, some investors are saying, have they missed the boat when it comes to these stocks? Joining us now with his advice on investing in the defense sector, Chris Castaldo, founder and CEO of StockTradersPress.com. Hi, Chris.
Good morning. How are you today?
Great. Thanks for joining us this morning. You think this is a very hot sector, very much in vogue. A lot of reasons why, obviously. We've just had the Joint Strike Fighter contract awarded. A lot of things happening in this group, but some folks are saying, have they missed the run like we saw in tobacco stocks?
I don't think they've missed the run. I think this is just the beginning of a long, drawn-out upside, cycle for the sector. If you look back in the last 12 to 18 months, there have been stocks that have been falling apart on the technology side, quarter after quarter, month after month. On the flip side, we've seen oil and energy stocks that have done extremely well. You might have missed the first 5 or 10 points of those run, and you might have backed away and said, oh, it's too late, I missed it. But if you sat on the sideline, you would have missed maybe another 20, 30 points on the upside. So I think this is only the beginning.
Now, you have a stock like Lockheed Martin. It closed yesterday, fairly close to its year high at around 48.77 or so. How much further upside do you see in this stock?
I see over the next 6 to 12 months, I think we can see a $60+ stock here. I mean, stocks are trading at their highs because they're doing well, and stocks are off their lows because they're not doing well. This is a hot sector. They've got the largest contract in history that they've just been awarded. I think this is a plus for them. I think we're going to have heightened military strikes. This will probably concede for years and years. I don't think we're in for any type of short solution with Afghanistan. So I like the stock. I like to play the momentum. I think now's the time to strike.
What about some of the other players in the group quickly, Chris, looking at Boeing, for example?
I think maybe Boeing has missed the ball or dropped it for that matter here. They did miss out on a very large contract. Their commercial airline business is falling apart with a global economy starting to slow down a little bit. They are trying to offset those setbacks in their airline business with pickups in aerospace, maybe air traffic control and military, but I think they're a step behind the 8 ball, and it probably will take 6 months before they can pick up on their outside business to kind of pick up what they're losing on the airline business.
Thanks so much, Chris. Chris Castaldo joining us from StockTraders.com.